Here's a tutorial on how to manage your server. So the first thing you want to do is go to dashboard.remiovr.com, enter in your email, or you can register as a new user and just sign in. All right, and then here you'll see all of the different servers listed out that I'm a part of. If you want to create a new server, you can go to this tab up here on the right, or you can join a server via server code. So I'm going to go into the Remio server for the sake of this tutorial. And then here you'll notice we have all the different portals and all the different settings for our server. So you can go up into this area, you can choose a file to upload your logo or any sort of branding that you want around your HQ. You can edit your team color here. And then you can also make it a public server by switching this notch right here. The set hosted modes are for fully unlocked. Anybody in the server can start the activities. For server admin, only server admins can start the activities, and then fully locked would be a Remio admin would have to start the activities. You can set a server code here, and then you can give that code to your team so they can access your server directly. You can edit your server portals over here. So if you hit edit portals, on the top is all the portals that we have already in our Remio hub. If you want to add in third-party apps, this would be the place to do that as well. So if I wanted to delete a portal door, I could just hit this X and that portal would be gone. If I wanted to add a portal, I could hit the plus and it would be up there. And then you would just want to save it, and then you would have your saved portal doors. Down here is the default server HQ. So right now it's under Santorini, but if I wanted to change it to the Titan space, I could hit select and then change. And then now everybody that goes into Remio would go into the Remio space. To add members, you're going to go over to this left menu and hit members. And you can add members one of two ways. You can do them manually. So you'll go right here to add members. You can do it manually by entering their name and their email. The role would be if you wanted them to be a team admin, for example, the set hosted controls, if you wanted them to be an admin to be able to start the games. You can also download or upload your CSV file here and then just hit add members. You can also download all the members already in the server by using this download CSV button. If you want to upload any 3D models or presentations or YouTube links, you can go over to the left side, choose the file, and then upload right there. And it's the same for each of these. So these you'll find in the Aurora Auditorium or the presentation room. So once you go into those spaces, your files would be on the podium and ready to view. So if you want to go over to this menu on the top right, you can join as a spectator. So if you hit that, this would enable you to join it from your PC. So I'll show you how that works. So you can just enter in your name and then the server that you want to go into. So we'll go into Remio for the example. So now I'm a drone flying around, and you can use the keys on your keyboard to move around. You can enter in the different games, and then you can just kind of fly around using your PC. I'll go back over into the menu. We'll go back to the dashboard. And then if you go back up to that top right menu and go down to gallery, you'll be able to access all the photos and images and videos that you've taken while in Remio. Those will pop up here. If you want to upload any photos, for example, to place on a whiteboard, you can go under the shared tab here and then select the server and then upload the image that you want to display. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can also use this chat bubble here or email us at events@remiovr.com.